Hello, today I'll be making an easy and delicious blueberry cake. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more recipes, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. In a small bowl, mix your softened cream cheese and butter together until well incorporated. Now add your eggs and sour cream. In the original recipe, which we'll add a link to in the description, it calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, which I'm replacing with LorAnn Blueberry Emulsion for a stronger blueberry flavor. Once thoroughly mixed, add your sugar, then transfer all of your mixture into a larger bowl. Add in your flour and baking powder, and then fold your ingredients together. Your batter should be a dense consistency. Then you can start to slowly and gently fold your blueberries into the batter. Now transfer your batter into a lightly greased or sprayed 9-inch springform pan, making sure to evenly spread your batter around the pan, topping with any leftover blueberries. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 minutes. For your icing, add your softened cream cheese and softened butter to a bowl and mix thoroughly. After your butter and cream cheese are combined, we once again replaced vanilla extract with blueberry emulsion from LorAnn oil for a bigger blueberry flavor. Slowly start to incorporate your sifted powdered sugar until completely mixed, adding in milk until you get your desired consistency. When your cake comes out of the oven, it should feel firm and springy to the touch. Let your cake cool completely before adding your icing or it'll just melt away. I would like to thank Erren from Erren's Kitchen for this delicious blueberry cake recipe. Please see the link in the description to her website with lots of other great recipes. We didn't use all the icing in this recipe, and you can adapt it to your taste. You can add fruit or nuts to the top. Share your ideas in the comments with me below. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see more of our videos, please hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for upcoming video notifications. And thank you for watching.